Grid Bot is free. Grid Bot never sleeps. Make your money work for you. Earn money 24/7 even while you sleep. Grid Bot has autofill functions, selects all parameters for you using past 30 days data. It is likely to outperform a randomly created bot. Flexible settings. Set your own price range if you think the price of an asset will likely bounce between this lower and higher limit. Remember, Grid Bot works best when price fluctuates. No new orders will be placed if price falls outside of this range. More grids means smaller price intervals means higher efficiency. Fewer grids means larger price intervals means less efficiency. Our backtesting shows that a profit or grid of approximately 1% works best. Never enter a losing trade. Grid profit will always be positive because GridBot automatically factors in trading fees, so you will never make a trade where your profits are lower than Bybit's trading fees. Trade with peace of mind. Hooray! Full transparency. View your open positions and history with full transparency. Shareable GridBot. Share your bots with your viewers and get them to sign up with Bybit and use GridBot together. Take profits anytime. End your GridBot and take profits whenever you want. Plus, you get to withdraw in the currency of your choice. Helpful community. Join our Discord group to request for help and also to learn and share different GridBot strategies. Copy from your peers. Not sure what to do? You can view the leaderboard and simply copy someone's GridBot settings.